So what do we have here, Ivana? A starving kitten that you found?
It's stray, yeah. I think the mom died, but it was with some male, I guess, Siamese cat. And, well, I didn't know until I saw his, under his tail, you know what I mean. So, but, like, they were, him and its brother, but the brother's dead now. So it's
he and his brother?
Yeah.
He and his brother.
It's dead because it got starved to death. But they were trying to, you know, I call the Siamese a father, you know, because it was kind of like it, but if he got kind of annoyed, it'll be like, you know, get kind of irritated.
But he didn't provide them food.
No, he couldn't. They were trying to suck at his
How was he eating?
Breast, but, he might, you know, there's people that live in an RV, that own a body shop, so they might own him. Because at first I was scared of him because he had a really, like, he looks kind of mad, upset that I had touched them. He's like, excuse me, who are you? But that guy's really daring, and I actually started petting him, and he just loved it a lot, so he's really tame.
He was nice.
Yeah. Even though he...
There's a weed a grass getting into the food. Alright. Little blue eyes.
Should name it Sasha.
No, he's a boy.